I loved photography. I loved capturing the beauty, the emotion, and the story of each moment. I loved expressing myself through my lens. But I never thought I could make money from it. I had a regular job as an accountant, but I was bored and unhappy. I felt like I was wasting my life doing something I didn't enjoy. I wanted to do something more creative, more meaningful, more fun. But then I discovered a simple way to turn my hobby into a six-figure income. A way that allowed me to quit my job and become a full-time photographer. The way was to create and sell online courses. Online courses that taught people how to take amazing photos with their smartphones, cameras, or drones. Online courses that shared my tips, tricks, and secrets of photography. Online courses that helped people improve their skills, confidence, and passion. I started by creating a free course that gave an overview of the basics of photography. I uploaded it to a platform that hosted and marketed online courses. I promoted it on social media, blogs, and podcasts. I attracted thousands of students who signed up and loved my course. Then I created a paid course that went deeper into the details of photography. I offered it to my existing students as an upgrade. I also created a landing page, a sales page, and an email list to attract new customers. I launched my course and made over $10,000 in the first week. I repeated the process with more courses, covering different topics, niches, and levels of photography. I created a loyal fan base, a strong brand, and a steady income. I made over $100,000 in the first year. I turned my hobby into a six-figure income. And I loved every minute of it. I loved teaching, creating, and sharing my passion with the world. I loved being my own boss, setting my own schedule, and working from anywhere. I loved living my dream. I turned my hobby into a six-figure income. And you can too.